Hello, everyone. I'm Miss Morell here with your seventh grade science recap for Monday and Tuesday, November 2nd and 3rd. Hope you guys all had an awesome weekend, a great Halloween. Everybody stay safe. Um, how excited are we that the election is almost over? Woohoo! Um, so let's go ahead and start our recap. You can see here that the learning targets are here. We've talked about these already. On the last recap, I went through all of the photosynthesis learning targets. Then we added a little bit for diffusion. So you need to be able to explain diffusion, which is the movement of particles across a membrane from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. You need to know the three variables that affect the rate of diffusion. That was mainly in the simulation that was at the bottom of the diffusion lesson page. And those three variables are the concentration of the particles, like how many there are, the temperature of the materials, the particles, and the solution, and the size of the particles. So when we did diffusion, the big 95 atom starch molecule didn't go out of the bag, but the tiny iodine molecule did. So the size affects that as well. You need to be able to identify examples of diffusion in everyday life. So we talked specifically about the exchange of gases in your lungs and in your cells. So oxygen diffuses from your lungs out into your bloodstream to be carried to your cells, where it diffuses into the cells. And at the same time, all of that is happening, carbon dioxide diffuses out of the cells into your bloodstream and is carried all the way back to your lungs, where it diffuses from the bloodstream into your lungs, where you can exhale it. Diffusion also occurs in the digestive system, where nutrients diffuse across the intestinal membrane out into the bloodstream to be carried to cells where they are needed. And then we asked you to learn the difference between diffusion and osmosis. The difference is diffusion requires a membrane, osmosis doesn't, and osmosis is the movement of particles, but specifically water particles. So osmosis is the diffusion of water. So those are your learning targets. So in class today, we did our warm-up questions. We went through our science journal together. We reviewed photosynthesis. We reviewed cellular respiration. We reviewed diffusion because you had a test. The Unit 7 test is a summative grade. So when we were finished with the test, we introduced body systems, because body systems are our next big unit. So we had you contribute to a discussion about body systems to get you thinking about it. And then we gave you an explore the circulatory system graded assignment. So if you haven't completed that, please do so. Go back and get it done. Don't get behind. The end of the term will be here before you know it. All right, that's everything we did on Monday and Tuesday. Stay safe. I will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day.